Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. So I'm pretty sure most of you, if not all of you, know who Findingnick is. I've been watching him for a while now. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I'm a fan. I've been watching his videos. I'm pretty sure even before I even started the YouTube channel. So yeah, I've been watching it for a while now. But basically, he posted on his story that he's doing a little cruise with some friends, and he said anybody is welcome. So I'm gonna join today, guys. Hopefully everything's pretty cool. Hopefully I don't get left behind. But anyways, guys, right now I'm gonna just go ahead and go pump gas real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up my girl, and then we're gonna leave because I'm already running late. It's like an hour away, and the meetup time is like in an hour, so I still gotta pump gas and stuff. So hopefully I make it in time. Hopefully they don't leave me. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go pump gas real quick, pick up my girl, and then we'll head out. Got the GoPro right here again. Hopefully we can capture some cool footage. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to the gas station. You guys can see all the cars that are right here. Findingnick still not here, but we're waiting. I'm just chilling in the car. Thank you. Appreciate it. That looks sick. I really like this. It's dope. Thank you, man. dope. What's good, G?
What's up?
What's up?
Nice to meet you, Nick.
Nice to meet you, Anthony. I like that way.